Hi, I'm Dale Monaghan, President and CEO of Goodwill Industries of Alberta. I've been a proud Goodwillian and team member of Goodwill since 2012. Goodwill began its mission of helping strengthen people and communities through the power of work and the dignity of a job in 1902. A minister by the name of Edgar J. Helms saw an opportunity for creating employment and better tomorrows for people who were experiencing challenges. Through the idea of collecting, reselling, and repairing unwanted household items, he created revenue to reinvest back into programs that would be used to help create job opportunities and career development for the disadvantaged in Boston. He believed in a hand up, not a handout. Here in Alberta, since 1963, Goodwill has helped people with disabilities through the power of work and the dignity of a job. In 1975, Goodwill Industries of Alberta joined the family of Goodwills around the world and was officially registered as a not-for-profit social enterprise in Alberta. There are not-for-profit organizations and there are for-profit organizations, but we would like to refer to Goodwill as a for-impact organization. There are over 150 Goodwills worldwide, operating in over 14 countries, including Mexico, Italy, Brazil, among others. Here in Alberta, Goodwill provides individuals with disabilities the opportunity to enhance their lives through the power of work and the dignity of a job. Meaningful employment does not mean any job. It means we are finding the right opportunity for the right individual, whether it is within Goodwill or with a partner organization striving for long-term career success. We are the only Goodwill in Western Canada, and we are one of the most successful Goodwills in all of Canada. About 30% of our workforce having a self-disclosed disability, and as such, we are one of the largest employers of people with disabilities in Alberta. We are also proud to be stewards of the environment. We have diverted 90% of all materials donated to Goodwill from local landfills, as we continue to believe in the triple P bottom line of people, profit with purpose, and the planet.